The Tiffin Allegro Breeze is celebrated for being one of the smallest Class A diesel motorhomes on the market, making it an ideal choice for travelers who desire the space and amenities of a larger coach but with the maneuverability of a smaller vehicle. At approximately 33 feet in length, the 2025 model retains its compact dimensions, allowing it to navigate city streets and tight campground spaces with ease. Despite its smaller size, the Allegro Breeze is packed with premium features, cutting-edge technology, and a thoughtful layout that ensures comfort on the road. Exterior design and build quality. The exterior of the Allegro Breeze is a testament to Tiffin's dedication to aesthetics and durability. Its sleek and aerodynamic design features Tiffin's proprietary 8-step full-body paint system, which not only enhances its visual appeal but also protects against the elements. High-quality fiberglass construction ensures the motorhome is lightweight yet sturdy, while the Powerglide chassis serves as the foundation for stability and durability. Additional exterior features include pass-through storage compartments with side-swinging doors for easy access, power patio awnings with LED lighting to create an inviting outdoor space, a rear-mounted ladder for roof access, integrated slide-out systems that extend the living space without compromising the coach's streamlined profile, optional solar panels to support off-grid adventures. Performance and driving experience. At the heart of the Allegro Breeze lies the Powerglide raised rail rear-engine diesel chassis, custom-engineered by Tiffin for optimal performance. This chassis is paired with a Cummins B6.7 diesel engine, delivering 340 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. The Allison 2500 mh 6-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and reliable shifting, making long-haul drives effortless. The suspension system is equally impressive, featuring ZF independent front suspension and Rayco Granning Air Ride rear suspension, which together provide a smooth ride across diverse terrains. The custom-tuned Koni shock absorbers further enhance stability and comfort, ensuring a driving experience that is both responsive and refined. For drivers, the Allegro Breeze includes advanced safety and convenience features. Adaptive cruise control for highway driving ease. A 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility during parking and maneuvering. Electronic stability control to maintain traction in challenging conditions. A modernized digital dashboard with integrated navigation and diagnostic tools. Interior comfort and layout. Inside, the Allegro Breeze offers a level of luxury and craftsmanship rarely seen in compact Class A motorhomes. The 2025 model showcases elegant design elements, including high-quality cabinetry, premium fabrics, and meticulously crafted surfaces. Tiffin's signature soft-touch ceiling panels and LED lighting throughout the coach create an ambience of modern sophistication. Living area. The living space is thoughtfully arranged to maximize comfort and functionality. Key features include a residential-style sofa that converts into a bed for extra sleeping accommodations, a Euro-style recliner or optional theater seating for enhanced relaxation, an entertainment center with a retractable smart TV and surround sound system, large, panoramic windows with dual shades, day/night, to balance natural light and privacy. Kitchen. The kitchen in the Allegro Breeze is compact yet fully equipped to handle culinary tasks with ease. Features include solid surface countertops with a stainless steel double sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop and a convection microwave oven, a residential refrigerator with an ice maker, ample cabinetry with soft close drawers for organized storage. Bathroom. The bathroom is designed to feel spacious and luxurious, featuring a separate shower enclosure with a glass door and skylight, a porcelain toilet with a macerator system, a solid surface vanity with a stainless steel sink, storage cabinets and LED-lit mirrors. Bedroom. The rear bedroom provides a tranquil retreat, offering a queen-sized memory foam mattress, with an optional king-size upgrade. Overhead and bedside storage cabinets. USB charging ports and electrical outlets for convenience. A second smart TV mounted on the wall. Technology and connectivity. The 2025 Allegro Breeze embraces modern technology to enhance the RV lifestyle. Key tech features include a centralized control system accessible via a touchscreen or mobile app, allowing users to manage lighting, HVAC, and slide-outs. A robust Wi-Fi booster and optional 5G connectivity for uninterrupted internet access. Advanced climate control with dual-zone air conditioning and a whisper-quiet heat pump. Pre-wired for satellite TV and equipped with multiple HDMI inputs. Energy efficiency and sustainability. The Allegro Breeze is designed with sustainability in mind. Its efficient diesel engine ensures better fuel economy than many larger Class A motorhomes. For eco-conscious travelers, the optional solar panel system and lithium-ion house batteries provide renewable energy for off-grid adventures, reducing reliance on shore power or generators. Storage and practicality. Despite its compact size, the Allegro Breeze offers ample storage for extended trips. Underbed storage in the bedroom for bulkier items. Overhead cabinets throughout the coach. A rear wardrobe with hanging space and additional shelving. External pass-through compartments for larger gear and outdoor equipment. Customization options. Tiffin provides a range of options for buyers to tailor the Allegro Breeze to their preferences. From upholstery choices to additional tech packages, customers can personalize their motorhome to suit their travel style. Key upgrades include a central vacuum system for effortless cleaning, an onboard washer/dryer combo for extended trips, a premium sound system upgrade for audiophiles. Pros and cons. Pros. Compact size enhances maneuverability and access to smaller campsites. Luxurious interior with high-quality finishes. Advanced driving and safety features. Efficient diesel engine with smooth transmission. Multiple customization options to fit individual needs. Cons. Smaller living area compared to larger Class A models. Higher initial price point than some competitors in the compact diesel segment. Limited sleeping capacity for larger families. Conclusion. The 2025 Tiffin Allegro Breeze is an excellent choice for RV enthusiasts seeking a balance between luxury and practicality. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for travelers who value ease of driving and parking, while its high-end features ensure a comfortable and enjoyable living experience. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the Allegro Breeze delivers the performance, style, and convenience that make it a standout in the Class A motorhome market. For those ready to invest in a premium motorhome without the bulk of larger models, the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Breeze is an option that combines the best of both worlds. It exemplifies Tiffin's dedication to quality and innovation, making it a worthy addition to any traveler's journey. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting updates.